Hi there, students. A treatise. Two treatises. Notice, a peace treaty, two peace treaties. Treatise is the sound. Okay, a treatise is a formal piece of writing that looks at a particular subject. It thinks about it, and it examines it from various different angles. It's a systematic piece of work. So he wrote a treatise on early 20th century British poets. Okay, so a treatise, an intellectual work, a systematic written discussion of a subject. So it's treating a specialized subject. For example, the doctor wrote a treatise on arthritis. He wrote all about arthritis, about the different types, about the cures, about the origins, and this is a treatise. You might call this video a treatise on the word treatise. No, not really, because firstly, it's not written, it's spoken. But perhaps if you copied out what I was saying and put it all together in a writing, in a little booklet, then yeah, I think you might say it's a treatise about the word treatise. So let's see, treatise. This comes from Anglo-Norman, treatise, which from French, traiter, to deal with, to handle, to manage. It's talking about treatment, the treatment of something. So it's a systematic piece of writing, methodical discussion, talking about all the facts, all the principles, all of the conclusions about something. It's a formal written paper. Now, it's like an essay, but an essay is generally shorter. A treatise is longer. And a treatise is normally about a serious subject. It's discussion of all the facts, all the evidence, all the conclusions based on the different principles, all the ideas about a subject. So it deals with the investigation of something, and you're explaining this at length. You're looking at all of the different things. Sun Tzu, The Art of War. This is a treatise about war. There have been treatises about all sorts of things over our history. Maybe Machiavelli wrote a treatise about politics called The Prince. Karl Marx wrote a treatise about political economy, Das Kapital. So experts, they write a treatise. A treatise, it covers all of the principles of the subject. It's in more detail than an essay. So does this go into sufficient detail about the word treatise? It's a little bit light. So a treatise is normally a systematic, quite extensive document about something, and it looks at all of the possible sides. It's a paper, a study. Locke's treatise on civil government. It's a systematic discourse about it. He wrote a treatise on early 18th century British politics. He published a treatise about slavery. He published a treatise about manumission. So, okay, it's a book book, well, not a book, it's a long essay about a subject, investigating all of the different parts. It's a study about it. It's perhaps a dissertation, a paper, a thesis about it, and you're looking at all of the different sides of it. Formality, a treatise. It's a fairly formal word. 7 in formality. Yeah, I think I'm going to give it 7 in formality. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something very formal. So, a treatise.